This is Priscilla Batzell in Springfield, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I am celebrating. My pillow paint is on a 10 by 10 inch canvas, and it's going to help me do a bloom. And my new Color Art toy is awesome. I used it once and it was so fantastic. I can't wait to get to it again. I have Prizm pours and primary elements, and Prizm pour, one of the new colors is this Misty Veil. And I'm going to give myself a somewhat substantial amount of that. As a base color, hopefully. I'm still getting used to blooms. I'm not sure I'll ever get completely used to blooms unless I did them all the time, and I like to do other things. This is some Mayan gold. I have some deep amethyst. Which evidently has a little tag on it that should probably come off. I have some cerulean blue. I also have some midnight shadow, and I think I'm going to use that next. Most of these Prizm pours are mixed with vivid enamel. But I do use vivid polypore, and the recipes are underneath the video. This is my cerulean blue. And it's breathing well. And I don't often do things in lines, but this time I really want to try and be somewhat more conventional, so I have a chance to remember to do the other things I'm supposed to do, like add wrecking, drag some stuff through. We'll see if I can do it. I have some frozen. Similar but not the same to the cerulean blue. I thought that would be a nice combination. And I'm going to top it up with my new favorite primary element, which is called Passion. I might put some, I'm strongly contemplating putting some of my Mead and Black across the surface, because I can, but as long as it's coming out. And I'm going to swipe, so I've got Amsterdam Black, Amsterdam White, PBO Gold, Iridescent Gold. I think it's, do I have it handy? No. There it is. It's Precious Gold. And it works really well as a cell activator. So I'm going to give myself all three paint colors, starting with the white. And I know I've seen plenty of people add other colors on top, so I'm really tempted to do that. If I left one open, maybe I should do that. What will it be? Oh, I know what it should be. Of course, I didn't leave that open. I am getting better at leveling my tools while I remember to open things up. I also made up some cerulean blue with some Amsterdam white. This is, I believe, Sour Lemon Prizm pour with some Orange Crush. That's not open. I'm going to stick my tweezers in there if I get a chance. Maybe I'm not going to get a chance. All my tweezers are in my bucket. Let's give it one more shot. I got something out. Yay. Should be interesting with all those blues in there. Get the water off your hand, woman. I know, I have no idea why people wipe off their tools on puppy pads and things when they could wipe them off on the edge of their canvas, because you're going to just be spinning it out anyway. paint off my tool. So I have it ready in case I need it. That's very nice. So what am I going to do now? That's the question. And I've got a rag to wipe things down. Twist to spiral. I think I want to send that all the way around. I think I'm going to probably spin most of that away anyway. I did pull out some palette knives, which means to me, let's go for the small one first, that I can try some of these stretching moves people are doing. Although that's not my favorite color that's stretched out there. How about we try a little more of the passion. And opening the container would be a big assistance. And I've got white on my palette knife, and I want some black. I don't think I'm ever going to get tired of wiping off my paint covered tools on the edge of the canvas. I could tip this, but I'm supposed to spin it. The one color I didn't add in there, I'm kind of really craving, is some of the Orange Crush. I may have to give myself permission to tip first. This skewer is well and truly abused. I have a paint tray that I want to pour off into as soon as I get the paper towel that's resting in there out. That way I have a shot. I lost all my orange, but I'm happy with what I'm seeing go. I think I'm going to lose my yellow too. Oh well. I've got beautiful cells. Let's go all the way the other way. Wow, really lovely colors. Let's let that go all the way down. And take a finger and run it under the edge. And then I've got just, I really don't need to do anything over here. I kind of like that negative space. But I do want to run off here. I could put other paint there, but I know it's best if I stretch the paint out. Even though I put GAC 800 by Golden in my paint mixes. This is a beauty. And it's going to be very painty. I can tell. Let's put my tray away. Yep, I've got to get the paint off my hands. Please pardon me for a moment. I'm going to see if I can get enough paint off my hands so I can shimmer that at you. And say I'm pretty happy with this experiment. I love, love, love that tool. Inspires the heck out of me. I've got plenty of paint to stick in my areas that I might have a gap or two along my edges. And I do, but I don't think it matters. And I know I could probably add another line or two. That's probably going to fill in. I gotta have something that's mine, not just an accident. Right? Don't I? Okay. Let's grab. I didn't even spin that. I just tipped it. Never mind. Who needs to spin when you've got that? Look at those colors. That is gorgeous. Wow. I hope you can see some of that sparkle and shine. That is just beautiful. That might be my most successful bloom to date. Look at those fantastic colors. I think I'm in love with that Misty Veil, because I love the two-tone between the white and the Misty Veil, and I know it's going to shimmer and be iridescent and color shifting tomorrow. So I will fix my edges after you guys are gone. I will make sure to show you guys that, oh, I do pop bubbles. And I'll use myself I'll use a sharp skewer to do that. Let's zoom out. I'm really pleased with that. Really, really. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out some of the 2,500 videos I have by going to my playlists on my YouTube channel. Go to playlists, all playlists, created playlists. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for your kind words and comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. I really appreciate that. Now, if I can keep from dropping the phone, that would be even more awesome. I will be looking for things with my little light that are obvious. I will not be torching because I use pillow paint. Wow, this is magnificent. All right, I love you guys. I think I told you that. Look on my link tree for my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. My legalist clothing made in Montreal. If you can't find what you're looking for on places like pixels.com and Fine Art America that are also there, as well as spring clothing under the video, you can ask me because I can add things. Thank you for being here. Check my Amazon link, and if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and I really appreciate you shopping there. My 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, my first and second 100 videos I made for YouTube, with all the descriptions and all of the ingredients and all of the tools. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I may have mentioned, and if I didn't, I will now, my paint pouring recipes, both for the Vivid Enamel and the Vivid Polypore, and sometimes for the Mead and Paint. And my regular pouring recipes are all available too, but mostly underneath the video when you open Show More underneath the description. If I forgot anything, I'm sure you'll figure it out if you watch another couple of videos. I love you guys. I love this painting. I will see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I know I'm forgetting something. I can't remember what it is though. Bye. See you soon. Oh, yeah, I post every day at noon Eastern Standard Time. I hope to see you there tomorrow. Bye.